Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into cardio to help you smash those weight loss goals. Cardio torches calories, boosts metabolism, and improves cardiovascular health. We'll explore my top 5 favorite cardio workouts that are effective and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with running. It's one of the best ways to get moving and stay fit. It's super accessible. All you need is a good pair of shoes. Choose ones that fit well and provide good support. Start slow, especially if you're new. Gradually increase your pace and distance over time. Alternate between running and walking to build endurance. This method helps prevent injuries and keeps you motivated. Focus on consistency, not speed. Regular practice is key to improvement. Warm up with dynamic stretches and cool down with static ones. Stay hydrated. Stretching helps prevent muscle soreness. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout your run. Hydration is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Running strengthens your legs, core, and even your bones. It's a full-body workout that benefits your overall health. Find a pace you can maintain and enjoy the journey. Running should be fun and rewarding. Cycling is a fantastic low-impact cardio workout that's gentle on your joints and suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you prefer the open road or spinning indoors, cycling burns calories, tones your legs, and improves cardiovascular health. Start with shorter rides and gradually increase both the duration and intensity of your workouts. Join cycling groups or classes for added motivation, support, and a sense of community. Always wear a helmet for safety and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Enjoy exploring your surroundings, discovering new trails, and getting a great workout at the same time. Jumping rope is a super effective cardio workout that burns calories and improves coordination. Start with short intervals and gradually increase duration. Maintain proper form and land softly to minimize joint impact. Add variations like single leg jumps and double unders to keep things interesting. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a powerful way to torch calories and boost metabolism. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. Create your own HIIT routine with exercises like burpees, squats, and push-ups. Perform each exercise at maximum intensity, followed by a short rest. HIIT is perfect for busy people wanting a quick, effective workout. Swimming is a fantastic full-body workout that's gentle on your joints. It engages multiple muscle groups, improving cardiovascular health and endurance. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase distance and intensity. Try different strokes like freestyle and backstroke to work various muscles. Swimming is a fun, refreshing way to stay active and achieve your fitness goals. So there you have it, my top 5 cardio workouts for weight loss. These exercises are designed to get your heart pumping and help you shed those extra pounds. From running and cycling to jump rope, HIIT, and swimming, each workout offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your fitness level. There's a cardio workout for everyone, no matter your preference or experience. Consistency is key to seeing results. Make sure to schedule your workouts and stick to your plan. Choose a workout you enjoy and stick with it. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you are to keep going. Which of these cardio workouts are you most excited to try? Maybe you'll discover a new favorite. Let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Share your progress and tips with our amazing community. Thanks for watching. Your journey inspires others. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next video. Bye. Keep pushing towards your fitness goals.